Hello, so I know I look like a hot mess, busy day, but I'm gonna try to do a cut crease, so here we go. I'm going to take Charmer out of my Pure palette, and I'm gonna put it on the base of my eyes, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. On my eyelids, I already have a primer, and that was through BellaPierre. So I'm just going over my eyelids, I'm not moving it up. Okay, this may seem a little strange, but this is an eyeliner, and it's by Jordana, and it's an eggplant. So I'm gonna kind of make my own kind of line with this. I always felt like I had low upper eyelid, so I'm gonna make it a little bit higher, and I'm gonna bring out my line. It's very smooth. Yeah, see, so it's kind of up, so it's not like hiding underneath. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take, it's Palladio Crush. I actually found it at Beauty's, Sally Beauty Supply, which was on sale. This is Supernova. So I'm actually going to use this to help blend it up. Okay, so I have that line, and I'm going to make sure I get in there to blend it some more. And actually for that, because this brush seems a bit thick, so I'm going to take this brush. It's pretty small, and it's by Vintage, the Vintage company. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to work that in. I'm just taking my blending brush again on my other eye. I'm going to take this little guy again. And the bristles are pretty firm, so I like that. And it's just a tiny brush. It's perfect for this. So far this is what I have, and it'll get better. Okay, so next I'm going to use BellaPierre. It's a loose powder. Let's see if I can get some light on it. It's very beautiful. It's called Champagne, and I'm going to use it as a highlighter. And I'm just going to do it in the arch of my brow. And I'm going to blend it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat this crushed on there. So I'm going to get this with that little brush. I'm going to pat it where it is on my lid. So now I'm going to go back in here and blend it, just like near the corners. Now what I want to do is take this BellaPierre, and it's Celebration, and it's one of my favorites. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll try to open it to show you. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to put that on my bottom lid. So right now, this is what we have. And now let's kind of make it more cohesive. So let's blend it a little more. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out the gold on the corners, and I'm going to take this little vintage brush again. See how tiny it is? And I'm going to take Celebration, which is on my bottom lid, and I'm going to bring it outward a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put, I'm thinking I'm going to put some of the maroon, what was this called? Supernova at the bottom of my lash on the outside, and we'll see what I want to do on the inside. I'm just going to take my black eyeliner and underline my waterline. I'm going to take some mascara, put some mascara on, and I'm going to put on my lashes. Okay, you guys, so here's the final. I kind of tried to put on some brows real quick and did my hair. So sorry that my foundation is a hot mess. I just slapped that on. But here is the eyeshadow. And it is beautiful in the light. I don't know if I can get the right angle for that, but I am going to try to put some pictures there at the end. So thank you guys so much. Bye bye.